en tu cariño. Si tú supieras.
Hello, everybody. Happy Tuesday, and welcome to the Magic School Bus. I'm Leah.
I'm Jeff.
And together we are
The Last Nation.
Yes, yes, yes. All right. Today we're going to be doing some salsa on two, like you just saw. And yeah, let's have some fun. Before we get going, let's do a quick stretch.
Yep.
Letting out our stress from the week. Deep breath in. And diving down. Touching those toes. Waking up the twinkle toes we're about to use. And bend the knees. Slowly rolling up. Opening up the chest. Oh. Shake it out. Wobble with it. And let's go. All right. Jeff's going to start us off with our basic.
All right, guys, let's go. So we're going to go forward with our left because we're on the follows time on two. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
We're angling ourselves a little bit this way
To the
to
right,
prepare us for our next step.
which is going to be like a grind step. We're going to heel and turn. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that 2 more times. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, guys, to keep your knees tight when you're doing this step, or keep them close together because it'll help us angle too.
We want to keep everything all connected. So like your
Yes.
body's kind of like a board, so that like as you're turning your foot, you're
Right,
not
'cause if you're
just
too
allowing
far
your.
apart,
You don't want to just allow one leg to go. You want to
Exactly.
let that
boom,
take your whole
boom,
body.
Boom. From a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 right here, hooked. We're stepping on 7. And then following through from that, since we're here, our weight is on our left. We're going to step on our right. 7, 8, 1. This is our 1, remember?
So our weight's on our right foot by
Weight's
the
on
one,
our right foot. Yep.
so that our left foot's free for the 2 because we're on 2
Yep. All the way from the beginning, slow.
with the grapevine.
Yes, with
Sounds
the
good.
grapevine. And we're stopping on 1.
Okay.
And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One more time, guys. One more time. Then we're going to keep going. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then from here, our weight is on our right now. We're going to toe kick twice. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And I'm keeping my toe nice and pointed.
Mm-hmm.
One, because that lets the energy flow all the way through my leg.
Yes.
And 2, that line is aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah, it looks sloppy if you just flick your foot. Point the toe. Whenever you have that, when you go down, point. When you go forward, point. Point that toe. Straight feet, guys.
Yeah, it's kind of it's like a jive.
Boom, boom.
It's like a jive step actually that came in from the swing community that was coming up at the same time as the salsa community. So there's a lot of crossover actually
During that Palladium era.
in mambo
when
and
they grew
in
together.
jive. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's stealing from that. So again, we're stopped on 1. You can see me a little better. Okay, 1, kick. 2, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do a step, tap, step, tap.
Mambo step.
Mambo step. 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
And then 8. Yeah, sorry. Let's do that again. On the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stepped on 8. Because we got to get ready for our 1. All right, guys. One more time. One more time.
From like okay.
From the kick.
Gotcha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. When I'm doing that 1, I'm angling forward now. 8, 1. Because we're going to go forward for our turn. From the very beginning, guys, let's run it twice with some counts.
Let's do it.
All right. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Grapevine,
1.
double kick,
3,
mambo.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Angle
1,
forward.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2,
Basic.
3, 5, 6,
Grind.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Grapevine.
7, 8.
Double kick.
2, 3, 4,
Mambo.
6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. I screwed that last one up. I don't know what happened. I lost it. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, I don't know. I just blanked there, guys. Sorry.
That's all right. Let's do it again.
All right, let's do 2 basics and get into it. And 1, 2, 3, 5,
Second
6,
basic.
7. 1, 2, 3,
Ankle up.
5, 6,
Grind.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Grapevine.
7, 8.
Double kick.
1, 2, 3,
Mambo.
4, 6, 7, 8.
Angle
1,
forward.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Vida,
Here we go.
dame felicidad. Dame felicidad.
One more time. Let's go.
Dame felicidad. Y dámelo todo que yo quiero más. Dame felicidad.
All right, let's groove. Next step. Here we go. Starting from a turn. So we've just come forward. We face the front. We're going to use that momentum, turning to our right, to keep it going with a turn.
Yes, 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 yes.
So we're going to step 1, 2. We're pivoting around over our right shoulder. And when we get to this halfway point, so we're going to do 2 turns in a row. We're going to do a right hand turn followed by a hook turn. So we're going to have to continue that momentum twice around.
Do it again. Yeah.
So starting with my right, 1, stepping around, 2, pivot, 3, on 5, looking over my shoulder, spotting the front because that's where I want to be facing, 6, 7, look for my front, 8, 1, 2, 3. So keep that. As long as you keep going over your right shoulder, you'll keep that momentum
And during
going.
that turn, that 7, 8, step on 1. 1,
Yes.
2, 3. Yep.
Again, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So let's do just the hook turn, so we can practice that.
Yeah.
So with our hook turn, actually let me do it facing forward, so I end up facing away for you on the hook turn, so you can see. So here's the first part. 1, 2, 3. On my 5, I'm stepping 5, hooking around 6, back on 7, so I can step on 1, 2, 3. I'll
And
do it
it
again.
turns on 7, 8.
Yeah.
We roll through it.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. So my turn is kind of, in Salsa on 2, we have a slot. We want our turns to go forward on the slot, back on the slot, as we would usually do when we were partner dancing.
Yes.
Because we want to continue, we never want that momentum to stop, because that momentum is what allows us to continue dancing together as a team. Want to do it all facing forward now. 1, turn, 3, here's the hook. 6, 7, forward, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Sorry,
Again.
I started doing the other move.
Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, hook behind. On 6, 7, forward, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
I'm like falling because I'm really trying to take small steps. I'm really trying to stay in this so you guys can see my feet. But man, it is hard. Okay.
Here we go. And 1, turn, 3, 5, hook on 6, 7, forward, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's put that together with the move before it. So we just went step on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Here's the turn. 3, 5, 6, 7, forward, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So as long as you keep that right turn momentum going, even if your feet get a little confused, slow it back down and just try to make sure you're facing forward again. So always spotting that front of where you want to end up. And by spotting, I mean we put our eyes where we want our body to go.
Right. Pick a spot. Pick a spot on the wall, the mirror, whatever you're looking at, and focus on
Or your
that.
screen if you're looking
Or
at
your
yourself as you're watching us. As you come around, kind of go back and spot the middle camera on your screen.
Spotting takes time. I still don't have it 100%, but it helps you from not getting too dizzy. It helps you stay straight forward versus spinning and you end up
and losing
45
track of
degrees
everything
versus
going
being
on.
straightforward.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. Let's go.
Here we go. Let's do from the top.
From the very top, guys.
Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3,
Let's go.
5, 6, 7. Grind step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Double kick and mambo, mambo, step, angle. Here's the turn. 3, hook around. 6, 7, face forward. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
All right.
All right. Ready for our last little bit?
Yeah.
All right, we're moving and grooving tonight. So there's another turn that we're going to do. We're going to do a peekaboo turn. So after we've done that turn here, so we've done our right hand turn and our hook turn, we're going to step 1, 2, 3, and then on 5 we're going to open up, turn away. On 6 we're going to go peekaboo, and then we're going to turn back over our left. On 7, putting the weight all the way on that left foot so we can turn around on it to get ready to go forward again. So this one is a spin on that left foot. This is a relative of the broken left. So a broken left turn, 2, 3, and then we go around 6, 7. So if this one is too hard, you can throw in that step to kind of build yourself up to it. Again, so that's broken left, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That would be stepping through every way. That'd be like a step through turn. This one, it starts out like a turn and then it turns into a spin. So again, we're stepping 1, 2, break forward, 3. Turn away like we're about to do that broken left, but then we're gonna go peekaboo on 6, and then on 7, we're going back that left. On 7, spin around, step on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So these are the things where, like, if you're used to dancing on 1, this is where dancing on 2 starts to feel really good because we have all of this extra time for those kinds of spins. So for example, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7, 8, 1 to get all the way around, as opposed to dancing on 1 where we'd have to get there a lot faster. So that's why it's on 2 starts to feel really, really smooth as you get more and more used to it.
Yes.
Okay, from the top, or
Very
actually
top.
let's do from the turns. So all those 3 turns in a row.
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go. And 1, right hand turn, 2, 3. Here's the hook. 5, 6, 7, peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more little trick to help you with that peekaboo turn. I'm gonna use my arms to help me with momentum. So as I step forward, I'm gonna open up my arms. When I step to the side, I'm gonna close them up, crossing those arms, opening them up here again, so that when I do with my turn, I'm bringing my arms in to help with the speed. I don't know if you've ever, when I was a kid, I used to get spun around on a chair. We'd start here, and then if you wanted to really speed up, you go, and then it goes, woo. That's what we want to feel with that turn to help us around that spin. So we're gonna step 1, out, 3, close, open, close. And then you can get there and spin around with a little bit more momentum. Okay, from all 3 turns, one more time.
Yep.
And right hand turn, 2, 3, 5, hook, 6, 7. Here's the peekaboo. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, let's put the whole thing together.
All right, guys, from the very beginning.
All right, this is our full pattern.
With
Get
the
ready.
basic. With
Here
the
we
basic.
go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, grind, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
All right, guys.
With music?
Yeah, I'm doing a few things.
Dime mi vida,
What I say? Go.
dime qué pasa en tu cariño. Si tú supieras mi vida, me tiene que dar. Felicidad llaman tus amigos.
challenge for tonight. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.
All right, guys.